Today we are doing cooked seasoned back ribs, Kirkland brand from Costco. Okay, so this comes pre-cooked. We got it yesterday, so we could have eaten it yesterday, but since we've had it in the fridge, we're gonna have to follow the instructions on basically how to reheat this. You take it out of the tray. See how easy that was? Cooking pan, just like this. I always like to spray a little bit of cooking spray on it just so it doesn't stick to it. You put it on. There you go. Nice and crispy. I like that. I'm liking that a lot. Yesterday when we got it, smelled super good. Smells delicious. I like the texture already. Comes pre-seasoned, ready to eat. I just got to heat it up. So what it says, cover loosely with tin foil and reheat for 20 to 40 minutes. Just wants the internal temperature at 165. So as soon as it does that, we'll pull it out. We're gonna put the oven at 350 and then I'm gonna test it, probably every 10 minutes just to see because I don't want to overcook it. But it's that simple. I'll grab the tin foil here. It says loosely, so that's loosely, and I'll put it in. All I am trying to do is warm it up. Okay, right now, this is going for, see, this was $14.02. It's $8.99 a pound at Costco as we speak, pre-cooked. Okay, I'll keep checking it, and we'll be back in 20 to 40 minutes. Talk to you in a minute. Okay, I've had it in here for 40 minutes. I'm at 186, so I'm 20 degrees over what I wanted to be. So, it was going up way slow, didn't know why. I'm thinking to myself, it probably should be done. So I took it out, stuck it in somewhere else, and it bumped way up. So, don't screw up like me and put it in maybe a spot that it doesn't heat up as quickly. I don't know. So I pulled it out, stuck it in between the ribs, and it went down much deeper this time. And I was way past my temperature. So hopefully I didn't just overcook it. But either way, we're gonna eat it and let you know what we think. When you're cutting ribs, so you can see where the meat is, I always flip it over on the back side of it. So when you cut through it, you can see where you're cutting. You guys will be surprised, those of you that watch Chef Dawg, this is actually one of my wife's most favorite meals is ribs. You get these the same place you get the rotisserie chicken. Pre-cooked, ready to go. So you can go grab it, come home and eat it.
Okay.
My beautiful wife.
I heard you overcooked it.
Maybe. So it said 20 to 40 minutes to reheat. This is definitely 40 minutes. And, it says to pull it out when you're 165. I was 186.
Where's the meat?
I don't know why you're just lift it like that and then just eat.
I know, but I never do that.
Why? That's how you eat ribs.
There's like no sauce.
Yeah.
Unless you
There wasn't any sauce last night either when you brought it home. It comes with seasonings. So you would want to dip it in some barbecue sauce?
Yeah, I'd want to put some barbecue sauce on it. I mean, it's good.
Me? I don't think I would.
Remember the curlies that we did?
I had tons of barbecue sauce.
I had tons.
Like too much.
Too much, but I need a little bit. Do we have any? Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
I like it straight, just like this.
It is seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
But
I like the crust on it too.
We've done 3 ribs, I think. Mm-hmm. We did these, curlies, and then
Traeger. Cooking it on the Traeger for
Traeger's the best.
Like taking it from raw to.
Yeah. If you want to see that video, just click somewhere up here.
Yeah, that one's my favorite.
That one's the best.
Well, this has really good flavor.
It does.
I'm actually liking the flavor, and you can literally go buy this, bring it home and eat. You don't have to cook it.
Yeah.
And if you do, just when you reheat it, don't heat it as long as I did. I bet this was done probably 25 minutes in. Again, on 3500 with a convection.
3500. You had it on 3500.
You want
to say 350 maybe?
350. Sorry. Yeah, it doesn't flake off the bone. I'm not, as you can see, I'm struggling a little bit here.
Maybe because you overcooked it.
Again, I don't know if that's my fault or not, but you know what I mean? Like when we cooked that other one, it just peels right off.
Yeah.
And this isn't peeling right off.
But it's good flavor, so.
It does have good flavor, eh?
Just take a little longer to eat it.
Yeah, maybe you should cut it with a knife. That's the feedback on the ribs. I don't know, I'd do it again. I give it a thumbs up, especially for the convenience. Super fast. But if I'm gonna have friends over and I want to do something amazing, I'll buy the raw ones and I will take and cook that in my smoker. But for 14 bucks, was it worth that for $14? I don't know. That'll be up for you to decide. Hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one. Bye. Now we're heating the oven at or sorry, edit that out. We're putting the oven at, or we're heating the oven at 100.